In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom profile spring inside of Plasticity for your projects. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and sketch out the profile that we're going to use for our spring. So in this case, let's go here. So there we have our profile. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and create a line that goes outside the profile. And then we need a sweep path for that line. So now we have all of our sketching set up. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to revolve this. And we want to revolve it around the center line. So there's our profile shape. So let's go ahead and hide that for a minute. The next thing that we want to do is we want to sweep this along this path. So we want to select our curve, we want to select our path, and it goes straight up. Now what we want to do is we want to set the twist. Now if you go negative, it's going to go one direction. You go positive, it's going to go the other. So make sure that you have that set right so that your spring is coiled the way that you want it to be. In this case, I'm going to set the twist to 5,000. And basically what you're doing is you're setting up the amount of resolutions per span. So just make sure that you set this accordingly to what you need. So we're going to say OK. Now we can go ahead and hide all of our curves. We'll bring back our revolve shape, which is our profile. We're going to select that first. Then we're going to select that sweep that we just did. And we're going to do an imprint. We're going to go body to body. And we're going to say OK. We're going to go ahead and turn off our sweep. And now you can see what it did. But now this brings the point that I wanted to make. You notice that it's split. So if I go in here, each one of these is individual. We don't want that. So what we want to do, we're going to undo that. And what we want to do is we want to select that split that's on our profile and delete it. Now, once we've done that, we're going to select our profile again. Then we're going to select what we want to imprint. We're going to do body to body again. Now, when we turn off our sweep, you can see that we don't have that split anymore. So now we can select that path that we want to follow and hit Shift D to duplicate it. We can hide our revolve, and then now we have our coil shape that we need. So the next thing we want to do is hit P for pipe. We want to go ahead and set the section size, which would be our wire thickness, to whatever we want. Say OK. That's it. Now you have a custom spring profile. Hopefully this video was useful for you. If it was, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.